However, it's a tower design. I will explore the different options, make an attraction there. We will create a design there, make some different shapes and structure. Try another design. Let's have a structure there. So we will take another shape, apply that picture here, use an eraser tool over the shapes here. We will find the designs.